Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. So this is a 2025 Polaris RZR Pro R4 Sport. Such a long name. It's new for 2025. The casting is a Matchbox, part of their main line. Does look good from the outside. So let's open it up and see. How does it look? So here's the Polaris RZR out of its box. I know I forgot half of the name. I think it's called Pro R4 Sport. So, first thing first, I like the paint on this one. It looks really good. And you can't miss it for anything else. It says RZR on the side. Since we are on this side, or the driver's side, let's just start from here. The wheels look good. I think the paint is like gunmetal gray. Looks really good, the color on the wheels. They are slightly smaller, or no, I think they're the same size as you get on other Matchbox cars. It's an off-road vehicle, you can see, so basically it is missing on some of the stuff you see on regular cars, like a roof. Still you get a roll cage on the top. You do get doors here, and you do get the whole name, Polaris RZR Pro R. It says Matchbox here, MBX. You can also see the suspension on the side, which is again good detail. You can also see the suspension on the front. Now, since we're going to front, let's just move there. So up front, you've got detailed headlamps. Again, good details. You do get a grille. I think these are skid plates. Obviously, it's an off-road vehicle, so so it's kind of saved. No windshield either. You just get the open experience. I don't know what that is. I don't know if the engine is in the front or in the back either. So I'm just gonna assume a few things as we go to here. Now, on the top, you can see there are 4 seats, if you see from the top. And the driver steering wheel is there. You've got 2 seats in the front, 2 seats in the back. So this is the passenger side, basically. Looks almost identical. I think there's the fuel filler here. So that's something different. I do like the paint, and the finish on this one looks really good. You can again see the suspension and all that. So this is the rear. Now, the way it's designed, it seems like it might have the engine in the back, but I'm not sure. There is a space to put some stuff, luggage, I guess. And I think most of the panels on this is plastic rather than being metal, so that's why you see all the different shapes here. It does look good, actually. It does look really nice. And this is how it looks from the bottom. So overall, I think it's a nice casting, and if I'm not wrong, Matchbox did few other Polaris vehicles too, so this is gonna go good with the collection. Yeah, let me know what you think about this casting. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Well, that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.